morning, ladies and gentlemen. What's shaking bacons? CRSR? Well, forget it. It ain't going to 33, but that would have been the spot to buy it. That's our pivot point. All right, let's keep our eyes on Donkey Kong. We got a couple of minutes, but it's got a short seller report attacking it. We have a huge daily level right where we're almost at 44.50. So we're going to watch that one right out of the gate. We'll look for a far from moving average trade early if we can get it. But 44.50 is a huge level. Huge. Yeah, Wish got a nice bounce. Never got to our 9.50 we were looking at. Yeah, between 50 cents and $1. Matt, we'll keep our eyes on it. Corsair's on our radar. As always, we were hoping to get into that at 33, but that ain't happening. I still am positive on AMC. We got to bid down a couple of bucks if it goes in that direction. Roblex. I don't think we're going to see 85, but that's a good spot if we do. We have no order in Donkey Kong. We're going to look for a quick far from moving average trade right out of the gate. Short Donkey Kong. I'm not shorting it here. If you came in short, that was nice. Stock's down 10%. Wolf is on our radar. Yes, a couple people in the room are long Wolf. I don't know. We have a level down at 24 in Wolf where I have a real order out. 23.85. So if we spike down $1.75, we're going to try buying a little with a tight stop. On the radar. Wow, we're a little early today, huh, guys and gals? Facebook above 338 is good. All right, I'm not running in and buying Facebook. 339.30 is probably a better short. Wolf 25.30. Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm waiting in Wolf to 24. That's our spot. That'll be down $2 from here. 23.85 is the spot. Let's see if we get there. Let's see if we get there. Stop. Give it 50, 60 cents if we spike down to 24. It's good. Same thing with Wolf. If we get there. Roblex 80. Yeah, 79 and change in Roblex is a good spot, but we're going the other way. Getting a bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. We got a little bit out in AMC if we spike all the way down to 56.30 off the opening. I'll give that $1, guys, because we only have 50 shares out. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. ALZNUONE. Yeah, UONE, nothing right now. Give it some time to set up. I don't see it yet. AZLN. I don't even have a symbol for that. Not sure what it is. Uber. Uber's dead. Yeah, I didn't think we were going to get the CRSR. We'll see what happens. Again, guys and gals, we have the Fed meeting tomorrow, right? It's summer. This is just going to be a very slow day again. Yesterday afternoon was painful. Beyond 146.70. That looks good to me, Gus, if we spike down $3. I like it, I like it, I like it. Good morning, all my Benzinga peeps. You think AMC is going to come down a little? I hope it does. I hope the first move is down a couple of banana skins. If it holds, gets it as 56, 56.30 and holds, we can add a little bit. I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it. Welcome to everybody who's visiting in our room for the rest of the week. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I will afford everybody who's listening to us today an opportunity to come in and hang out with us for the rest of the week also. We'll talk about that a little later. Yes, we have a limit order in AMC. We'll see if we get the spike and dike it down there. They're off. Spinning it. Spinning it. Spinning it. Oh, I'd like to see Donkey Kong get the smack a daka from here. Let's see. I mean, we're only $1.30 away from the moving average right now. Look at that, guys. Look at that. We got the 44.65. We missed it by 15 cents. Spiked up $1. Yeah. Now I don't even like it. We got to get below 44 before I like this now for the fall from moving average trade. I'll put it out at 44 now. AMC rip. I'm not surprised. Yeah, we got the 57.77. 62.50 could be a little short. In cancel Wolf, that ain't happening. Cancels. Go Wolf for Solly. Mara, 200 EMA. We blew right through that. Maybe 30.18 Mara for a quick trade. Bitcoin coming in a little bit. Put a little bit out of 30.18 in Mara. We'll have a stop ski. I want it on this pop down. Lots of Reddit talk on Wolf. Good. Solly's long a little bit at 26 right here. See if it does anything. Crocs is dead in the water. I don't see anything. CRSR. Kiss my tuchus. Ripsky Dipsky in Facebook. Where are we in Facebook? Almost got to our short at 339.30. Wow. Wow. Gotta be kidding me. We just missed Mara, guys. Cancel Mara. Cancel Mara. Wow, look at Facebook. Do we buy this thing at 336.40? Facebook? Mara didn't hit 30.20. Did it? Really? All right, good. Start selling some 30.40, guys. Sell a little Mara at 30.40, 30.50. And if you get 40, 50 cents out of this, it's a great trade. Right? Yeah, it did trade there. How come I didn't get hit? All right. Weird. Donkey Kong bounced. That was it in Donkey Kong, guys. We missed that by 15 cents. It went up $2 off that huge level. Huge. Wolf. The Wolf is just a bloody mess right now. I do like 24, though. Get that out in Wolf. And boom chakalaka. Silly coming in, coin running. Coin's a mess. Wish. Yeah, Wish, we want to buy some Wish on a pullback, guys. Wish looks good. Silly. A mess. Let it set up, guys. FCX crashed. I don't think it's a crash. Mara. Yeah, you should be out of Mara. That's fine. Got a couple of bucks on it. 28.50. We're all over Mara, guys. Let's get that out. Probably have something in between, but I must be coming in, right? Rapture. This stock is wackadoodle, guys. 39.80. You want to try a little wrap? Again, this one's whack. It's all over the place, so be careful. But 39.80 is a spot. Riot 34.50 and Mara 29.20. All right, I like Mara 29.20. You can go up to that. That's fine. Yeah, we want to buy Wish, guys. We need a pullback. Buy a little Wish if we can. Roku 355. Would have been good. Spiked up. Riot's hanging at these levels. Wrap just missed that 39.80. That would have been nice. Just missed. Wolf bounced. I don't like a $2 stock. CRSR, setting up for a trender. I don't know. This thing's wackadoodle. It just went up to 37.50. Now we're back at 36.30. Let it set up. Car far from moving average. Let's take a peek. I mean, car hit the pivot point up there, guys. 94.30. So that was a spot. I'm sticking with 24 and woof. Woof, woof. Let's see what happens. Bingo. I don't like bingo. Facebook. Again, Facebook just missed that 329.24, so I would wait now. We want to buy Facebook on a pullback, guys. Facebook is a buy. If we get to 341, we'll short it. Definitely. Donkey Kong never got to 44.50. I wish we were in there. I'd be selling it now, though. That was a great spot. I mean, it was a daily level in Donkey Kong. Doesn't get better than that. But we missed it by a couple of pennies. Roblox 89. Just missed it, so I would not do that now. Looks like a better buy. Wish. Well, we can try a little Wish at 11.75, right? Let's try that. 11.75. Wish. Get an early trend. That'll be down $1 from where we just were. Riot. All right, give me some levels in Riot, guys. Besides 33.50, which I love. Oh, let's have it out. Probably going to bounce right here, right? On the daily 65 right now, Riot. All right, if you get a green bar from here, then jump in a little bit. Let me look. 34.60 is the daily. 34.60 is the daily in Riot. Yeah, I have 34.60. That's the daily. It's not quite there yet. I love Mara 28.50. It's the same trade. So we get another $1 down in Mara. We're in there. I'm going to come up a little bit in Mara so we don't miss it by 10 cents. 28.60. So I'm going to have 200 shares in Mara. 28.50, 28.60. I like them both. Wow, AMC. All right, cancel this, cancel that, cancel that. AMC, guys, 58. We got to try a little small there. We got 58 and then 56.35 in AMC. Labu, NVAX coming to daily. Well, we got $3 in NVAX, but that's a far from moving average trade, 194. Let's do it small. Doing 25 shares in NVAX. Don't panic out. We'll get a bounce from somewhere down there. Good. Come on, Bitcoin, get the smackdown. Let's go. Mara's almost getting far from moving average, right, guys? If you get a green bar from here, you can buy a little Mara. Keep your eyes on it. Oh, we got a little AMC. All right. Give AMC a little room. Sell a little AMC at 58.40, guys, if we get there. If we get a bounce. I'll give AMC, 70, 80 cents here. See if we get a bounce. Give Mara a little room here. Market coming in a little bit. I mean, give AMC a little room here. I got out 58.40 and 58.60 in AMC. If we get a bounce. 58.40, 58.60. If it gets back above 58.40, it's probably all right. Sold a little at 58.40. Sold a little at 58.60. Now 58.90, guys. Break even stop now. We really needed to get above that 58.80. So the fact that we couldn't is not good. All right. Break even stop now, guys. This gets back to 58. We're out. Because if it don't bounce from there, it ain't bouncing. All right. Out of AMC break even. Next spot is 56.30. Yeah, we got a couple bucks out of it. All right, guys. Clearing the slate. Cleaning the slate. Let's see what the next move is. Mara bounce, shop. Almost. Well, we had a 50-cent trade in AMC. Not horrible. NVAX. Nah, NVAX didn't get there. How are you stuck in AMC? I said to sell it. You got to be quick. Got to be quick. I said sell 58.30 and 58.60. You got a 45-cent average in it. CRSR. CRSR is a better buy, guys. Better buy. On a pullback, though. Wish didn't quite get to 11.75. All right, there goes AMC. Again, we got to follow the rules, guys. Follow the rules. Follow the rules. Once it got to break even, we got to get out. But we made some money on it. Let's see our SR set up. It's not really a trend yet. Riot worked off our level. I don't know what level that was, but okay. I think the Bitcoins are shorts, guys. Yeah, I'm not crazy about Wish anymore, guys. I think the Bitcoins are shorts now if we get rallies, all right? I think they're shorts. TAL for Mr. Pueblo. I do not like TAL. Look for a spot to buy it down lower. 28.70 is a good spot for TAL. 28.70. Yeah, again, if you were patient in AMC, okay, but we got to follow the rules. Once we have a 50-cent profit in the stock, it goes back to break even. We get out of the trade. But a bunch of people got 50 cents. NVAX gave $1. It didn't get to 194, did it? Oh, wow. Yeah, but I was 194.20, guys. Did anyone get NVAX? It looks like it missed it by 20 cents. Terry, you got some? Yeah, I didn't get it either. All right, good. So NVAX, everybody, we were looking at this big pivot point down $6 from where it was. And look at that. It got to 194.40 and just gave a $1.50 trade. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Those are the ones we dream about. I mean, perfect technical analysis. Wackadoodle. Robux. Oh, wow. Nice. All right, 91.70 is a short in Roblex. Keep your eyes on it. Palantir looks like it wants a break. All right, but it's kind of flat right now. BlackBerry got a patent. Yeah, Roblex looks like a better buy now, guys and gals, on a pullback. This thing's got room. 91.70, we will short Roblex, but look for a trend trade in Roblex on a pullback now. Look for a trend trade in Roblex on a pullback. I don't know about Facebook. This thing looks like it's off to the races. Keep it tight here, all right? I want to buy Facebook, guys. Facebook is a buy on a pullback, okay? Airbnb. Wow. All right, 154 is a shorty in Airbnb, guys, right, Dana? That would be really stretched out. Again, it looks like a better trend trade. But 154, let's put it in small Airbnb. I like that. 154. Thing's got a good spread. So we can do a full trade at 154 short. We spike up. Again, it's a better trend trade. Yes, Ken. So a lot of the things we're looking at right now are better buys than sells, right? So give them some time to set up. AMAT. Yes, AMAT again looks like a better buy than sell. I mean, AMAT gave you a 40-cent trade off the pivot point for a short, right? Not bad. AMC's dead. Let's not look at AMC anymore. There's nothing to do there. OCGN. I want to know the guy at Benzinga that's following the stocks and keeps changing the symbols with me. He's good, whoever that is. Because we're flying through symbols. And he's right with us. I love it. Yeah, again, Roblex is a better buy than sell. Yeah, guys, I don't pay attention to $2 stocks, Mark. I wish you all the best with things like that. That's a lottery ticket. If you like a GNUS, you buy it, you put it away, but we don't talk about stuff like that in the room. There's just no money to be made. Mara, where we got, guys? 28.50 Mara. Let's get it back out. Get a nice bounce off there. 475 people watching and 40 likes. Well, we might have to end a little early today. 28.55 Mara. I'll do 200 shares there, be a little aggressive. That would be a nice spot, I believe, for a quick trade. I like it. I like it. I like it. It'll be down almost $1 from here. TTD. Bloody mess right now. TTD setting up for a better short than long, if you must. Micron trend trade, 81.15. I love it. Yes. Put it out. You can buy it. Mavis. Again, guys, if I don't put all the orders out, doesn't mean I don't like the trades. If I tell you it's good, it's good. Mavis could get going here, right? Big crate. See if it can consolidate a little bit here. Give you a green bar in the upsize. I would keep my eyes on that. Yes. So what do we have today so far, guys? A 45-cent winning trade and really nothing else, but it's quiet. 56.40 could be a spot. Like I said earlier today, guys, we got the Fed meeting tomorrow. It's summertime. Well, what did we just say about Palantir? If we can get going here, it's got some room. So Palantir is a better buy than sell. Yes. Trend trade, trend trade, trend trade. Yes, yes, yes. I like PLTR. Well, we've liked PLTR long-term for a while. It was one of our calls when it was back at like $18. We were in the stock. All right. Again, U is a better buy than sell. Airbnb, we're offering at 140.54 short. Let's see if we get there on this pop-up. And that's weekly level. All right, good. Well, we'll be $4 above the moving average, so let's do it right now. Fed meeting's not till tomorrow at 2 o'clock. Yes, Palantir looks good now. So I want Airbnb on this pop-up. Airbnb is getting to a far from moving average trade up here, right? So we now have the 80 RSI in Airbnb. It'll certainly be at 154. So let's do this. We're going to do it smaller, 25 shares, and then we'll look for the far from moving average trade. Add to it. I think we just got the far from moving average trade, if I had to guess, guys. Right about 153.19. That was it. So here's your far from moving average trade, guys and girls. All right, I'll explain how to do it. 5-minute chart. 80 RSI. $4 above the moving average. Go to the 1 minute. Second, we see the red bar about 153.20, and boom, it just gave you 80-cent trade. That is the far from moving average trade to the T. Jeremy, you got it? Good. Perfect. Now maybe you can get, $1 at it, between 50 cents and $1. So Zena, remind me later. I will show you that example again so I can tell you the far from moving average trade, okay? Yes, I will go out of it again for everybody. You get in with a market order the second we see the red bar. So on a 5-minute chart, relative strength above 80. Stretched out $4 above the moving average. 1-minute chart. The second we see the red bar, 153.20, boom, you just took $1 out of that trade. There it is. I mean, a perfect dollar in how long? A minute? There you go. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Yes, we will buy a trend trade at 151, but I wanted to show you guys the exact entry and how we do it. Cancel 154. That ain't happening. That is a gold trade, guys. I still like Mara, guys, if we spike down to this 28.55 for a trade. Let's give it a couple of minutes. Myrna, Facebook. Myrna, Berna, Bo Berna. Again, Myrna hit that pivot point for a short ski, right? You son of a beeswax. Is Bitcoin getting a smackdown here, guys? It must be. EH. Sorry, Rich. EH is definitely a trend trade. Definitely a trend trade. FCX. Better sell than buy. It's in a downtrend. I don't see anything there to do. Facebook. We got to 339. Yeah, let's go 337.50 in Facebook trend trade. This one's a little choppy, and it's a $330 stock now. So 337.50 trend. That'll be down $2.50, right? We got to like that. Now, this is a different kind of trade we're trying to get in, guys. This is a trend trade. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Peter is talking about our course. Welcome, Peter. Einstein of Wall Street is with us. Pay attention to the course he's talking about, guys. That is our course. That is curated for everybody. It's only $400. It comes with mentorship on every Thursday night. Second you join with us, you'll be with me and Peter every Thursday night to teach you the class in its entirety. JP Morgan is a better short than long. It's in a downtrend. FU Mara got a little bounce. Kisha Mike took us. AMC is dead. I can tell you this much, guys and gals. Ooh, Soxo looks good, man. Yep. Soxo's a better buy than sell. I can't see Futu being a far from moving average because it just got above the moving averages. Oh, maybe it can. Wow. How about we short some at 165.50 Futu? That's getting really stretched. So let's do this in Futu, right? 25 shares, 165.30, and then we'll go far from moving average. I'm just checking the spread. The spread's not bad, and we might have just gotten it. There you go. It just gave it to you about 163.50. Okay, guys? Another far from moving average trade. Look at this. 5-minute chart. 80 RSI. $7 above the moving average. 1-minute chart. Short as soon as we see the red bar with a market order, you just got $1 out of that trade. Two beautiful far from moving average trades, which we teach in the course that just set up $1 and $1. NVAX got to 194. No. Oh, my God. Look at NVAX, guys, off the pivot point. 194 was the level. It broke it by 70 cents and gave you a $4.50 trade. Adam, how many shares did you get? That is spectacular. Wow, wow, wow. And now it's a short. But look at that again. Pivot point. Boom. $4. Technical analysis, guys and gals. The room is absolutely killing it today. Killing it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Good, Adam. Nice job. Tiger, I don't see anything. It's a better trend trade. Airbnb, probably going higher from here, but I don't see a trade. Donkey Kong could be a better buy than sell now if it goes sideways here. I want to show you guys Donkey Kong, okay? I want to show you guys the weekly level in Donkey Kong, and it changed a little bit. But we had, I'll show you the 5-minute. Look at our pivot point in Donkey Kong. On a 5-minute chart, that was $44.60. It's up $2. Boom. Technical analysis. Kiss him, Mike took us. We were bidding $44.50 this morning. We missed it by 15 cents. About to get out of Facebook. About to get $1.20 out of Facebook. Oh, off the niner. Nice. 338 Facebook was the 9. We were bidding 337.50. We missed it by a little bit. All right. Went straight up $1. We'll stay 337.50, but good. I know it's DraftKings, guys. And the symbol just makes me say Donkey Kong. I can't help it. FRX is nothing. ABNB holding the 1-minute trend line for Julian. I like it. I like it. I like it. FRX. Yeah, don't mess with FRX. Okay, let me explain. I know there's a lot of people here, right? First of all, smash that like button for me. Well, we might have to not come back again. There's a lot of people that are visiting us, okay? What we're doing is day trading, right? So very rarely am I looking at a $10 stock or a $5 stock or an $8 stock. This is a special, different learned skill, day trading. We're not investing. I am certainly not doing any diamond hands in this room. We're looking to make these small amounts of money several times a day that add up to bigger amounts at the end of the day, the week, the month, and the year. When I'm trading 20 shares or 50 shares, I have people in my room that trade 3, 4, 5,000 shares. I have people in my room that make 7 figures day trading. I have 130 people in the room right now. At least half of them are doing this and making a living doing it, learning our techniques and our money management skills in the room. That's the bottom line. Elva hit his goal for the day. Excellent. Get out of here. Fed meeting is once every couple of months, Matt. They meet Tuesday and Wednesday, and then Wednesday at 2 o'clock. Wednesday at 2 o'clock, they announce what they're doing with interest rates. Are they raising them? Are they keeping the same? Are they thinking about raising them? Are they thinking about doing something? And that can greatly affect the markets. So something we keep our eyes on tomorrow at 2 o'clock. That's why this week is today and tomorrow are going to be very, very slow going into that. It always is. Mara, I think we can cancel. We got a bounce. Futu cancel, went down $3. So look at Futu now, right? I mean, it was such a beautiful spot up there. Down $3 now. Pins and BBW. Pins is a better buy. You know, had a little resistance up here. If it goes sideways, it's still a better buy out of here. So what we do in my private trading room, guys and gals, is this is what we do all day. So imagine hanging out, trading like this all day, being mentored on every single trade that sets up. Pretty cool. All right. I want Facebook on this pop down. Any rally in Facebook from here, we're going to go down to 336.80. And it just bounced, you piece of crap. All right, let's wait in Facebook now. Let's wait. Oh, I got to remember to set up straight. AMC, do I still think it will go to 62 today? Oh, do I think? I don't know. It looks better now. The resistance 62.50, so it could. Fubo. Dead. So, John and everybody else, when I put up a chart, I'll just give you some lessons as we go. Anytime I put up a chart, the first thing I'm thinking in my head is, where is my trade? Is there a trade? And when I look at a stock like Fubo, I mean, to me, it's a little weak, but there's nothing here that I want to do based on my technical analysis. 0.0. All right, let's put Facebook at 337.70 if we break the trend here. What is that? What's this in Facebook? 330, I can't even see. 337.60? No, I don't like it. 336.80 now, Facebook. Yep, 336.80 will go down to the regular moving average trade. If it holds here, you can buy a little bit, guys. I like 336.80 for the trend. So if there's no volume in a stock, no, I don't care. Beyond. But every chart I put up is I'm looking for the opportunity. And once you learn our technical analysis, you're going to get the same thing. I'm looking at beyond. It just went up to a little resistance level. I don't see anything here. No. Yeah, we'll have a dollar stop. So adjust your stop accordingly in Facebook, okay? Only do 50 shares. Lines under the candlesticks are our moving averages. We use a 9, a 15, a 65, and a 200 exponential moving average. Is the whole market coming in here a little bit, guys and gals? Looks like it. Yeah, spiders are coming in a little bit. All right, so we want Facebook on this bop down, guys. Down another 50 cents. I mean, that'll be down $3 from the high that it just hit a minute ago. So I like it. I'd like to do it very fast. You should not be in Facebook yet. CRSR. I mean, Corsair went down $1. Again, with the market coming in, let's be a little careful here. I would wait for a green bar. If it throws you a green bar from here, in Corsair, you can buy a little bit. Roblex hit the 9. All right. Well, if you got a little Roblex at 89, hang out, see what the next move is. There you go. You're getting a nice bounce off the 9. Crimson and Clover. Crimson and Clover. All right, again, if Clover pulls back, it's a better trend trade now, right? Give Facebook another couple of minutes here. Which one, Ken? Facebook? Which one are you waiting for? Roblex, okay. Hit over my daily go, I'm done, Shannon. Excellent. What kind of trade, Shannon? Any of the stuff we're doing or your own stuff? All right. AMC, I like a short at 62.50. It's a better buy than sell, though. Facebook, I'm betting we get a bounce from here. It's not going to quite get us. What were you trading, Shannon? How do I learn to day trade options? Yeah, day trading options is a hard thing to do. Day trading options is a hard thing to do. Roblex bounced off the 9. I do not think we're getting our, there we go. Don't think we're getting our Facebook, guys. Let's can it for now. All right, 62.50. I'm going to short a little AMC for a trade. How hard is this to do yourself? You want my personal opinion? I think it's impossible. Day trading options is very, very difficult. I'm doing a little AMC at 62.50. If we spike up right now, 50 shares, I'll have a 70, 80 cent stop. AMC is a buy on a pullback. CRSR. Give me a level in Corsair, guys. Put up a chart. Find me a level. Come on, come on, come on. You guys know. Let's look. Go to the 15. Go to the 30. 36 bucks. That's a little close for me in this thing. You know that. I don't know. I like 34.70 in CRSR. 34.70. If it holds that level, Rich, maybe you can buy a little bit. 35.11, 34.70. We're in the same ballpark, right? Let's see if it turns down from here. Clover's a better buy than sell. Dave, help me. I'm stuck in Facebook. Oh, God, help me all. All right. I mean, put some Facebook to sell and listen to me at 337, 337.70 and 338.10. And if you're going to stay with it, you got to add at 336.80. We are not doing it. No order in Facebook. No. Just trying to help out somebody who was stuck in it. We have no order. People just don't want to show you how. To what? Day trade options? Some people do. It's just not my thing. I think it's difficult. That's all. Some people day trade options. You can. We missed the AMC short. Dave, 25,000 buy and sell shares. That is correct. Retail trading account, 25K, or proprietary trading account with 5K. Apple, no. Apple's recently woke up a little bit, but nothing here. You know, it finally got above the daily. Apple's going to need the market to go up from here. That's the bottom line. It'll trade with the market. Wish dropping. All right. You got a little 1140 in Wish and an 11. So 11 could be a nice spot. Yeah, I'm not saying you can't trade. I'm saying it's difficult to trade options. Day trade. I don't know enough about it. I'm being honest with you guys. It's not my expertise, right? It's not my expertise. That's all. There's plenty of people out there that will walk you through options. I'm a 10-year trader. I lost my ass trying to day trade options. It's hard. They move. Yeah, it's tough. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. And again, different strokes for different folks. As I explained to everyone earlier. Oh, wow. EH just went down $3 and hit the pivot point, guys, at 44. That was a nice spot. Right? Matt, you're up $440. I'm up $940 for the day. Nice job, Matt. What are you trading, Matt? Our stuff or something else? Talk to me, Goose. $940 for the day is nice. I love it. AMC. All right, just from the long side, right? Yes. Which is what we talked about all day. Very nice. Matt, get out of here, up $940. Bottom line. I'd rather make guaranteed money. I only want to day trade and options sometimes. Yeah, I hear you. Billy James up 500 bananas. I love it, Billy. What are you trading? Anything that we're doing? Or your own stuff? Or using our technical analysis anyway. Yeah, Facebook is bouncing from here. All right, so KK, I said to put in an order to sell some at 77 and some at 38.10. See, again, you're out. So you didn't make any money, you broke even. All right. Everything you're doing in my stuff, excellent. Excellent. Yeah, I think we had 3 or 4 set up this morning. 900 a day. Yeah, well, a lot of my people do, Chris. This is what I tell everybody now. I try to kick them out of the room when they get to this level. If your goal is to make $500 a day and you made 900, I do not want to see you in my room for the rest of the day. The Spaniard is here. Andares. Yeah, I like to kick them out of the room once they hit their goal. Wolf curling up. I think Solly's still in Wolf. There we go. All right. Solly still got some Wolf at 26. I think he's selling a little bit up here, 26.60, something like that. Chris, I like your system. Thank you, Chris. Thank you. Look, I can tell everybody here, okay, without bullshitting, and the people in my room will tell you, there's 130 people in my room. Okay, we make money. That's the bottom line. We make on more trades than we lose. We follow our technical analysis, and this room makes money, period, without any bullshit. And we prove it every day. And we don't make money every day. We don't make money on every trade. But the things we teach you in the course, the things you're going to learn in the room, are going to put you on your way to making a couple of bananas. No diamond hands. But again, you know, I told everybody at the end of last week, the beginning of this week, that I loved AMC long. We went back to the daily chart, and once we got above this $45 level, okay, I said I really like AMC. And a lot of people in my room bought it, and then some of them are still in it, and some of them took some nice profits out of it. But this was the Friday close, and we closed above the daily with nothing but blue skies ahead. So I'm going to trade the meme stocks all day long. I'm just going to trade them when they line up for us to trade. That's all. So where do we want to buy AMC now? Let's go a little at trend trade 59.50. Okay. AMC trend trade 59.50. This is a trend trade. We'll try to get in on the 15 EMA. If we spike right down, we'll have a 50-cent stop. That'll be down $2 and hit our trend line. I mean, I love trading meme stocks, but I'm doing them at my levels. What stock? NVAX. NVAX is still going down. Wow. What do we got in NVAX, guys? Someone just put something up. NVAX. Getting far from moving average. 185.70 is daily in NVAX. All right, let's have it out, though. I like that. Weekly. You don't know. I'm certainly putting out 50 shares, and do not panic out if we get to 185.70. That is a weekly level. Tell you what, we'll put out 25 shares, and then we'll dive on in on a far from moving average trade so we don't have to commit. It's gold, Derry. It's gold. I'll tell you what's as important too, especially for everybody who's watching in Benzinga. It's as important to have Benzinga. We put the news that they give us, which is mega important to be up and aware of what news is coming out. The different kinds of scans you can do with Benzinga. You can set up things to watch almost anything that you're looking for in stocks. And the news feed is unbeatable. You put that together with great technical analysis and money management, and it's an unbeatable combination. Everybody in this room should have Benzinga Pro. You can't trade without it. David, you've been trading for 10 years. Oh, my God, Whitney. I wish it was only 10 years. No, I've been trading for 35 years. 35 years I'm doing this. It's the only thing I've ever done. Come on, NVAX, keep going. Do it right now, 185.70. Don't go up, don't go up, don't go up, don't go up. Again, do not get panic out of this. We're going to have a 20 RSI. We're going to buy a little 185.70, and then we'll add to it. Yeah, I've never done anything else, guys. Do we have to have at least 25,000 to bankrupt buy and sell? Yes, Mike. You have to have at least $25,000 to day trade or have a proprietary trading account. One or the other. Oop. Short a little AMC at 62.50. All right. I'm not crazy about this. I'll try to buy a little at 62.25. AMC, I don't know. Let's see what happens. Certainly not giving it a lot of room here. This could be a wackadoodle one. So I'll risk 50 cents on this. That's it. Trying to buy it back, 62.25 and 62.05. Bought 25. 62.05 for the balance. Crimson and Clover. Now I'll have a 63 stop. Yep. Made 30 cents. I'll lose 30 cents. But this stock is going higher, guys. This stock is going higher. Crimson and Clover. Over and over. Just going to try to get back out at 62.50. But I'm going to get out of it if it gets to 63. The stock wants to go up. She wants to go up. Why can't I get this in there? No, maybe. Maybe we'll get 62.05 right now. Come on. Come on. Definitely going to have a 62.50 stop now, though, if we go back up. If I could ever get it in. So I'm ready to cover it back. 62.50. Market order. Giving it another minute. Minute. And I'm out. No blood. Futu just hit the trend at 153.70. Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't switch it. I think AMC is going higher, guys. Made 25 cents and broke even. You hit 67 is the next level. Again, we want to be buy. What happened to AMX? I mean, NVAX. We bounce. All right, cancel NVAX. Not happening. All right, no orders for the minute. Let's go back. Anyone get Futu on a trend? That held nicely. Up $1 already. 158.30. Wow. Wow. Look, I tried shorting AMC. Made 25 cents and broke even. It was really stretched up there. But we're out of the trade because I think it's going higher. Boom, chaka-laka laka. ABNB. Airbnb in here. You got in the trend in Airbnb? Very nice. Rich, you made $75 on the short in AMC? All right, good. I want to buy AMC, Billy. I do. I want to buy it, but it's got to pull back to a level that makes sense for us to buy it. Right? Now I can't buy it up here. The odds aren't great. It's going to keep going up from here. So we'll see what happens. We need a pullback to get long. Wolf breaking out. Go Wolf. Go Wolf. Go Wolf. All right. So a couple of people in the room at 26 are long. I bought and sold for 35 bucks. Hey, nothing wrong with that, Billy. PAL was an option we did in PAL. So we're not doing anything in it. Wishful thinking. Again, I don't know. There's no meat on the bone in Wish anymore. I don't see it. I don't see it. You're in Tesla. Where are we in Tesla? Why are you in Tesla? I can see it almost got to the pivot point, V. Clove. Again, when we put up a chart, everybody, and this is what we're going to teach you, I do not get involved in a stock unless it hits one of my technical levels. That's it. So let's look at Clove. 13.50 Clove. That'll be down $2 from where we just were. Gotta like that. All right? 13.50. All right, maybe 14.11, but I like 13.50. We can be aggressive at 13.50. This spikes down $1 and holds. I'll get 1,000 shares and try to make 30, 40 cents on it. A couple $100. Mara. I don't know. I think Mara's a better sell than buy if it rallies up, but it's certainly done. Can you go over your level setup when it calms down? I'm done. Good luck, everyone. Can we look at PAL? You're welcome, Paul. Look, how many of you guys are actively day trading every day? Give me some ones. How many of you are actively day trading every day? Give me some ones, guys. Not my room. I know you guys are. Yes, Donkey Kong is a better buy than sell. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, so, if you guys are actively day trading, I'm going to invite you into my room for the rest of this week, and we can talk about some stuff. Okay? Yes, yes, yes. I'm on fire today. Hit my level for 5 days in a row. Nice job, Brian. Nice job. Yeah, look, Ash, this isn't for everybody. A lot of people can't sit in front of and stare at a screen all day. I know. That's what day trading is, right? But I can tell you this, okay? Most days, you can be done by 11 o'clock. I have been in the room since yesterday so far. It's great, from Benzinga. Excellent. Most of the people that caught these trades this money are gone. Out. See you later, alligator. Done for the day. Just sold 55 puts on AMC for June 18th. All right. I like it. I like it. What kind of premium you get, Sleek? And are you doing it naked or do you have some shares? That is the question. Do I like Futu on a 65? Let's look. Again, a lot of people in this room are long AMC from $49. I do like Futu on a 65, guys. 155.70 Futu. Tenu, I like it. 155.70. Not going to happen. But we like it if it gets there. Going down $3 from here. Diamond hands, baby. Diamond hands. So the way I will look for a short now in AMC is if I get to an 80 RSI and we're stretched out. We have the first part of it with $2.50 above the moving average. But I need an 80 RSI to start to get short this thing. I will short at 67 because that'll be a real far from moving average trade. So I want to explain to you guys, okay? 25 shares at 67. Why it is so important to have stop orders in day trading. We would just short this stock at 62.50. You get stubborn and you think it's going to go down and it has to go down. It's $2 against you. I took a shot on it. We made 25 cents because it had a resistance level there. I took a shot, but I got out immediately because I said and I told everybody it's going higher. And that's exactly what it did. So you cannot get stubborn when you're day trading stocks. Whoa, Labu. What do we got, Labu, guys? 70? 70 is the 200 on a 4-hour. Let's put a little bit out. That's going to be a far from moving average trade too, guys. Yes. Let's get a marker at 70. Almost have a 20 RSI now. We'll certainly have it at $70. Boom, chakalaka laka. Quick $75 off the short and 9 in Donkey Kong. Okay. Yes, we're watching Labu far from moving average. I'd like to see another smackdown from here. Well, look at Labu. Okay, now it's $2 from the closest moving average, right? The RSI is approaching 20. So actually below 71, this thing could start doing a little something, something. I'm putting 10 shares out. I'm putting a marker out. Futu? Futu is still 80 cents away, but I like it, guys. Yeah. I want to see it hit it right now. Do it. Do it, do it, do it. Do it, do it, do it. How do you deal with the 30-day rule with losses when day trading? If you have a retail trading account, there's no such thing. Come on, Labu, keep going. So if Labu gets below 71, guys, we'll start looking far from moving average. That'll be 2 and change away. We're getting to the RSI now. Don't turn now. Well, it just threw in a green bar on the 1 minute, but let's see. It's not really bouncing yet. Who put the kibosh on us in food too? Cancel. You son of a beeswax. AMC, kiss my tuchus. Trend trade in AMC, guys, is around 62.50. So let's put a tiny little bit in AMC. Yeah, the whole market's coming in a little bit. I don't know how crazy I'm about anything right now, right? Let's see. I mean, GameStop will be down $2 there. All right, let's go to Labu. Crimson and clover. Over and all right, so we're going to go to Labu now. We got the 80 RSI. I'm going to go to 1 minute chart, and if we see a green bar, we're going to buy a little bit. So get ready to buy 100 shares with a market order. Not yet. So we're waiting to see a green bar. We are now $2 away from the closest moving average. So when I see a green bar, I'm going to buy 100 shares at the market. We'll have a tight stop on it. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Kind of want it to keep going down a little bit. Not yet. Not yet. So I'll show you what I'm doing. I got it ready to buy 100 at the market as soon as I see a green bar. So I'm not doing it yet. Right now, I want it to keep going lower. Not doing it yet. Not yet. Not yet. Boom, 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 boom. Lower it goes, the better it is. So I'm trying to walk you guys right through this. Not doing anything yet. Still going down. See how I'm ready to buy 100 shares? You can't trade Labu, really? That stinks. Still no green bar. Yeah, we'll have a 50-cent stop from wherever we get in it. Still no green bar. Now, so I just bought 100 shares. I saw the green bar. I bought 100 shares. I'm risking 50 cents on it. And we'll see if we get the bounce from here. We'll start selling some if it gets to 70, 80. So it's usually a trade that's either going to work quickly or it's not. So I'm putting 20 shares out at 70, 80. Correction, 25 shares at 70, 80. And now we can just get out at the low sale, which was 70, 40. So if it goes back to 70, 40, I'm out. That's it. Because if it don't bounce from here, it ain't bouncing. So we'll have a 70, 40 stop. Keep it tight, and then we'll look to do it again. So you really need the green bar fast. If we don't get the green bar, chances are it's going to go lower. And you should be out at 70, 40. That was a nice 20-cent loss. That's it. We got in at 70, 55. We got out at 70, 40. So now we'll look for it again. So we only lost like 10 cents on that trade. That's it. Got to have your stops, guys. Let's go back to the 5-minute. All right, good. Now we're going to do it again. We only lost 20 cents on that trade. It's all you should have lost. So it's setting up again. We'll do it again. See if we get a bounce. You should not be in it at all anymore. We lost 20 freaking cents. Yeah, exactly. I'm going to look for a green bar and then add to it if we can. We're going to get a 50, 60 cent bounce in this at some point. I just don't know where from where. That's where we should have grabbed it. That was it. See how it made a low about 70.10, and now you sell it at 70.50 and higher. So we missed it a little bit. I missed it. I tried to get it. I said now, but I missed it. Happens. That was the spot, guys. All right, good. You got it. Good. Sell more stock up here. But you see how that worked, guys? Look, it just took more than one time. So right around 70.10 was the spot. Boom. 60 cents up. That was the trade. And it takes more than one time sometimes. Everybody in the room nailed that one. So we lost 20 cents, guys, and we just took 60 cents out of that trade. Boom, shaka, laka, laka. Zena, were you able to execute the trade? That was perfect. That was better than the movie Gladiator. That is and out, in and out, guys. You got it at 70.10, you got out at 70.80. That's it. Next. Stock still looks like a Shortsky-Wartsky now, right? How are you gutted, Bill? But you see how beautiful it was to only lose 20 cents? And then the second time make 70 cents? Right? Boom, chakalaka. So we made 50 cents net on the trade. Now it's going back down. Yeah, it takes time, JJ. That's a difficult trade to navigate, right? So here's what we're going to do now. Let's put a little marker at 69. That is one of the hardest trades to navigate, guys. Is the far from moving average. But it's one of the most profitable. And it's either going to work very quickly or it's not. I accidentally wrote it back to the 9 and made $1. All right, Steve, good. All right, cancel close. All right, let me see AMC. AMC is so beautiful. That sounds good if you can get it. But I lost 30 on the first and missed the second. All right, well, if you didn't miss the second, you would have certainly got your $30 back. Elva's leading for the day. He's done. How about AMC, guys? At 61.10. That'll be down $3 and hit our trend. 60.80 AMC. Guys, 60.80 AMC. Down $2 from here, but I like it. 60.80. So, guys, if you want to learn all these techniques and have me tutor you on every Thursday night, go buy the course at Wall Street Global Trading Academy. We have knocked $100 off it for everybody. It's only $399. You buy it today, you'll see me Thursday night. Boom, chakalaka laka. Also, everybody who's here, I'm going to invite into my trading room for the rest of this week. Okay? So let me show you this real quick. The course is spectacular. Again, it's on sale for $400. WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. 6 hours of video, guys and girls. I don't care if you're an absolute beginning trader, you've never traded before. This will walk you through everything that we do in this room, including swing trading, options trading, and cryptocurrency. And every Thursday night, once you buy this course, you get continued mentorship at 5 p.m. every single Thursday night forever. I'll show you what the members area looks like. You have this course forever, guys. And this is what it is. It's everything. Stock market basics, language of the stock market, money management, chart basics. We set up your charts, our trading techniques, swing trading, options trading, Bitcoin, and here's the key. Every Thursday night mentorship forever when you purchase the course. WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. All right, let's look for more trading setups. Labu. Yeah, it bounced a little bit. Okay. Better short, though, Labu, if we go up now. Let's cancel the Labu for now. We'll wait for the next setup. So we had 3 far from moving average trades that set up today. 3. We had a Futu. We had whatever that other one was. And we just had this one. 2 of them worked for over $1. This one didn't work for a 30-cent loss the first time, and we'll just say a 50-cent gain the second time. I teach swing trading, Milo, and we do it quite often when things set up for us. But you're going to learn about swing trading in the course. 2 different types of swing trades: reversal swing trades and daily and weekly swing trades. The purchase is lifetime access. That is correct, Shane. And you get me and Peter every Thursday night. And you have the course right in front of you. You can keep going back to it. Yes. My trading room is a different animal. It's a completely different thing. I have a lot of beginning traders in my trading room, but taking the course gives you a nice little foundation, I will say. And I do teach my course live every month in my boot camp. That's a separate charge and stuff, but I do the entire course live for 35 hours once a month. We're doing that on June 28th. I think that's just about full, though. I think I have spot for 3 more people in that, the boot camp. All right. Slowing down. That was an eventful morning, right? Everybody should be up green, a couple of banana skins. Everybody in the room green? Give me some Y's in the room. How are you not green? Joe, what'd you do? Everybody should be green. Penn, 77.50 would be a good spot for a trade. Penn. Yeah, I like that. All right, guys, talk to me. Everybody in the room who's lost money today, tell me what you're doing. Tell me what happened. What's going on? Are we not following our trades? Talk to me, Gooses, because we got to address this. EU killed me this morning. All right, we were never in EU. I pressed the button too early on the Labu trade, not fast enough on the Labu trade, messed up on Labu trade, can't get out of trade. Kept asking if it was a better short. You said it was a better buy. EH. Yeah, but whether I say something's a better short or a better buy, guys, you got to have stop orders in everything that you do. Come on. I said it was a better buy at 9:40 this morning. Once it broke the trend, it wasn't a better buy. Okay? And then you got to have stop orders. AMC was the only trade. All right, that's fine. That's fine. Made 300 on AMC. I didn't have an order out. All right. So, guys, look. Here's the bottom line. Far from moving average trade is difficult. It's going to take some time. Okay? I'm not worried about that. AMC trade, everybody made a couple of bucks on. Far from moving average trade takes a little bit. Well, we had 3 of them that worked out. Matt, I want the RSI on a 5-minute time frame. Okay. I want the RSI on a 5-minute time frame. Yeah, 20 or close, and it's not going to keep going down. I mean, the RSI in Labu, guys, at this point was 16. Stocks are not going to stay at a 16 RSI very long. Okay? They're just not. And the stock has gone up $1.50 from there now. So a little patience and you would have got $1.50 on it. Correct. Yes, Matt. It's just not going to say that stretched out. It's not. And look what it's done. Stocks cannot have a 20 RSI and lower for a long time without having a bounce, or an 80 RSI or higher without having a pullback. Trick is to get in it at the right time when you get that changing of the guard on the 1-minute chart. That's all. Now, I will short Labu if we get up to 73. I'm putting that out. That's the trend trade. All right, the trend now is 72, and 72.75. So I'm going to do it very small at 72. 20 shares because I want to add at 72.75 to get into a trend trade. 72.75. 100 shares. Here's my orders. I want to get into a trend trade now. Downtrend in Labu. SBLK. Yeah, last month. Why are you guys all losing money on EH? We talked about it at, I don't know, 9 o'clock this morning, 9:30 this morning when it was spiking up. And yes, it looked like a better buy than sell. But here it hits the trend at 44.75. Goes back up to 45.22. So gave you a chance to make 50 cents on it. Breaks that, you're out of the trade. Regular moving average trade at 42.50 gave you almost $1 trade from 42.50. Look at this. Okay? 42.50 gave you almost $1 at 43.50. Breaks that, you don't go in the second time. Almost gets down to the 40.85 and gives you a $2 trade to the upside. So you should have lost money once in this, and not much because you had a chance to get it break even. Made money here and made money here. So I don't know how you got caught in the bag in EH, but certainly should not have. Period. AMC. I mean, I like AMC on a trend, 61.70. All right, that's fine. Yeah, Joe, stopped out is correct. Stopped out, not in the bag. That is correct. That is correct. That is correct. I averaged down too early, but only got out with an $80 loss. All right, $80 not horrible. GameStop has a 28 RSI. Yeah, why is GameStop so bad? And well, they're getting out of GameStop. They're buying AMC. And every trade that you do, guys, the first thing you do is put in your stop order. That's it. I'm not looking to average into stocks. Period. Well, I want to be a little careful, Jet, because this GameStop's getting a smackdown now. So AMC could come in a bit here. How about AMC at 61? I like it, right? That's our VWAP. 61 with a stop. Well, we teach you what the stop loss is. 1. I don't always have time to put my stop order out. Okay, but we teach you what it is on every single trade that we do. Keep in mind, I'm dealing with 500 people on one side and 150 people on this side. So I don't always have time to do it. It's more important for me to get the orders out for you guys to follow, and you know what to do with your stop orders. All right, so we'll try GameStop, AMC at 61, down $3.70. Roku. Roku is an ugly downtrend. Well, are you giving it enough room, Billy? Because you got to give your trades a chance to work. You can't have a 10-cent stop or a 20-cent stop, right? You got to give your trades a chance to work. Cancel Labu. Leave it at 72.75. If you get into a trade and every time you do a trade, you have a 10 or 15 or a 20% 20-cent stop, you're going to get stopped out on 90% of your trades. If you have funds in your account, what would be the maximum amount of stocks you would say buys using your strategy? At the beginning, Tiny, if you're learning the strategy for the first time, you trade 100 shares in a clip. You do that for a few weeks, you go to 200 shares. Then you go to 500 and 1,000 very quickly after that. So it's all relative based on your trading account. You know, I have some people who are in the room with me now that haven't even. I set stop below last support. Yeah, but Billy, that's not enough room sometimes. Below last support. We have a plan on every trade that we do. I'm never risking more than $1. And most times it's only 50 cents. And that's how we stay alive. And we have a lot more winning trades than losing trades. That's it. Can I go long Labu? Show me a level in Roku. I don't see it. Can someone see my stop? Not in the stocks that we trade, Bill, because we're trading millions of shares of stock in the ones that we're looking at. In thinner stocks, yes, I could say that. I would not go long Labu here. No, Labu looks like a better short. Yeah, exactly. There's nothing here. Rick, are we better with what we talked about yesterday? I'm trying to do what you talked to me about. Before we leave, guys, greenroom-live.com. Okay, that's how everyone can come visit us. All you got to do is hit the Zoom button, and you're in my room. Greenroom-live.com. As soon as we leave here, you guys can come in, hang out for the rest of the week, and then we'll talk more in there. Greenroom-live.com, greenroom-live.com, greenroom-live.com. Cancel. No orders for the moment. No, Rick, I'm trying to be better about what we talked about yesterday. If it was you who told me. Yeah, I mean, AMC didn't even get to the 9. I'm not crazy about EMC at all now, Ken. Let's see what the next move is. I could see a spike down to 59.20. So let's hang out and see what happens. All right, good. Yeah, my pleasure, guys. Yeah, so when you come into the room for the rest of the week, you guys can ask me questions. Pick my brain. You'll watch us trade more live for the next couple of days. Then you can decide whether you want to stay with us or not. CRSR, I don't see any levels. None. Down to 32.50 unless we see something. Now they're massively shorting Donkey Kong. I don't know if they're massively shorting it. It was one guy that said it was one report that said it was a short. And 90% of the time, those guys are wrong, JJ. Look, here's the bottom line. It's all technical analysis and news. Put Benzinga get together with what we do, and you're a home run. I set buy orders at your stop loss orders. Oh, all right, Jim. That's good. You're probably not getting in a lot of trades then. Here's the technical analysis in Donkey Kong, guys. Look what happened when it hit our pivot point down $3 from where it is now. That's the bottom line. All right? That was the dead low. It was also the weekly chart level. So no matter how much they came and tried to scare people out of this, if you used your technical analysis, you got in this stock down here, and it's up 3 banana skins. That's the bottom line. They're already short. They're looking to take their profits out of it by telling everybody it's a piece of crap. Right? That's it. Yeah, I would have liked Facebook down there if we got there fast. Green, where can you person the credit? You know what, Bill? It's a great question. We'd only need it for one day, right? Look, this is hard work, guys. Day trading is not easy. It's work. First, money management. Second, technical analysis. Third, Benzinga Pro. Put all that stuff together, and then it just takes a while. It just takes time. I'm giving this another month. Maybe it'll get better. If not, then I don't know. All right, Zena. All right. AZ, which will give you a lot more. Okay. Zena, where are you sitting since you started? Down a couple of $100? Zena, that's nothing. Okay, you're down $200 and started. You just learn to push the right buttons. All right? Don't worry about it. Period. Relax. Zena, I will take care of you. Okay? I will talk to you offline. Just relax, though. Yeah. I want you to do 50 shares in every trade that we do from now on. And follow the trades that we do. Okay? 50 shares and follow every trade that we do. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Yeah, it takes time. You're not going to get this in 2 weeks or a month. Someone called me from Johannesburg, Tennessee. Nice. Am I still long AMC? I have no positions in anything, guys. No positions. Labu? Labu working what? Off the short? Labu? You short a little bit on the 9 EMA? All right, Rich, good. I kind of like that. Yes. Mario appreciates me. Thank you, Mario. Zena, do I have your email? If I don't have your email, send me an email and I will get in touch with you, okay? My biggest challenge was and still is the nuance of managing the trade-in process and setting up the correct stop sizes. Yeah, all this is a process. Jeez, Louise. Zena, had you ever traded before you came to us? People shouldn't be day trading as a way to learn how to day trade. I'll disagree with that, AJ. I'll take the other side of that coin. I think the only way you can learn how to day trade is to trade and have skin in the game. That being said, you can trade 10 shares. Just to have the emotions and to physically go through the process of putting in your orders and your stop orders. But the only way you're really going to learn how to trade is to trade. Just don't let it cost you a lot of money at the beginning. That's all. You know? That's the bottom line. And look, it's not for everybody. I get it. Day trading, it's not for everybody. Yeah, DKNG just was a little short there, right? At 48.30. 48.40. Yeah, we will short DKNG at 49.48. I love that. Yes. DKNG. But don't expect to get this in a month. And Zena, if you're losing $200, that is absolutely nothing. Relax. Okay? That's nothing. Absolutely nothing. I'll give you a free month if I have to. But just relax, okay? I don't want you to worry about having to pay another month in the room while you're learning how to do this. I will take care of you. I sent you an email over the weekend about using Thinkorswim on Active Trader. I understand the setups. It's the order entry. So we need a breakout session on Thinkorswim again, guys? Is that what we need? Do we need another breakout section on Thinkorswim? Everybody's saying yes. Okay. All right, maybe we'll do it later today. Who's my teacher in Thinkorswim that can teach everybody everything? Roman. All right, Roman, you're the man. I'm down 10 times. Joe, how are you down 10 times that? That's crazy. Yeah, I mean, listen. Again, me and Peter have made this as affordable as we possibly can to get to as many people as we possibly can and get them a way to figure out how to do this. Winning on small trades and losing on the larger ones. Can't pick and choose. You got to do every single trade. Well, it's very similar to poker. I think we all need entry with the order entry, not chart setups. Roman knows how to do that. All right, Roman's the man. We'll do it at lunch today, guys. Okay? We'll do it today. Roman is going to do a breakout session in our Zoom room today on Thinkorswim. So any of you guys who are with us now on Benzinga, pop into the room. And at 12 o'clock or so, Roman is going to do a breakout session, teach everybody Thinkorswim, how to put bracket orders in, and all that stuff. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Zena, take a deep breath, all right? You hear me? Take a deep breath and relax. Yes, Harold, anyone who wants can come into my room for the next 3 days. Can you guys post that? greenroom-live.com. Don't forget, guys, you should be purchasing the course too. For a lousy $400, you're going to get the 6 hours of programming, and you're going to be with me and Peter every Thursday night. So Wall Street Global Trading Academy to purchase the course, greenroom-live.com to come hang out with me for the rest of the week. As soon as you leave here, guys, go to my greenroom-live.com and hit Zoom, and you're in the room. There's our Facebook group, which is absolutely free. Thank you, Muhammad. Facebook, too, guys. This doesn't cost anything. And we do a bunch of stuff like once a week. We do meetings, and we do a lot of shit for free. So join the Facebook group. That doesn't cost anything. 0.0. 0000. That's our Facebook, WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. And lastly, I know we only probably have a couple of minutes left. Benzinga. Okay? I used to think, guys, that the news doesn't mean anything. And I was a big proponent of, the news doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean anything. Just trade. Well, it's not true. We have to put this news together with everything else that we do. And Benzinga is the greatest source for news and scans and anything trading related. They have great education stuff. So, again, everybody should be signing up for Benzinga Pro. It's the best. Yes, you guys, today's Wednesday. Okay? I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Anyone who comes in will get 5 days in my room. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What's today? I don't even know what today is. It's only Tuesday, isn't it? Jesus, Christmas. All right, here's the gig. You guys can come in today. You're going to get Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday for free. 4 days. Okay? Come into the room. Greenroom-live.com. Hit the Zoom button. Peter, I have no idea what day it is anymore. I really don't. So come on into the room as soon as we finish up here. Come in now. Doesn't matter. 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. We're going to have a Think or Swim tutorial on Zoom in this room. Purchase the course, guys. Come hang out in the room. Join the Wall Street Global Trading Academy Facebook. All you got to know is when to buy and when to sell. That is true. Billy, that is true. I can't simplify it any more than that. That is true. All right, so Donkey Kong, we're going to short at our pivot point at 49.40, especially if it goes fast. AMC, again, almost got to our trend trade, right back up. I think AMC makes a new high, guys, this week maybe. I'm not saying anyone to run in and buy it because we're long freaking 14 points below here. But I don't see any reason it wouldn't make a new high. UNOE is a better short, guys. It gave $2 off the daily. Say it ain't so, Jeremy. Daily chart in UNOE. Oh, my God. Look at this, guys. So UNOE was one everybody was talking about the last couple of days, right? Look what happened. It exactly hit our daily at 16.77. This is a daily chart. Down from $25 to 16.77. It made a low of 16.63. It broke that by 14 cents and gave you a $2 trade. So, Jeremy, what good does it do me now? Yes, Eastern Standard Time, everybody. 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is a beautiful lesson of how technical analysis works. It's just insane. Look at that daily level. Boom. I say wackadoodle ski, wackadoodle ski. All right, I see some of you guys are coming into the room already. Excellent. Excellent. Yeah, I mean, I think I would short UONE at 19. I know this is can we short it? That's the question. Yeah, I like it. So we got what? Just hit 1844. It's a little spready too. But I like 19. I'm too broke to buy the course, but I appreciate the knowledge while I'm learning and building. Yeah, that's good, Ty. And I'll be here every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And I'm kind of teaching you the trades as we go, right? I showed you the far from moving average trade. Maybe tomorrow we can talk about a regular moving average trade. I don't want to come in the room until I do the course. You're probably best off, Crane, because without any knowledge about anything, it's going to be like you're looking at a different language, right? That's true. Yogi, you can come into my private trading room right now. Greenroom-live.com. Hit the Zoom button and you're in. 12 o'clock, I'm having one of my traders go overthink or swim, talk about bracket orders, stop orders, and all that stuff.
All right, David, that was a pretty good morning.
Yes, excellent, Aaron. A good learning morning, good trading morning, good learning morning.
Yeah, I mean, even when the market slowed down a little bit, y'all were still able to make some good trades, so that was good there.
Always a pleasure. Guys, again, Aaron's the man. Everybody here should be subscribed to BenzingaPro.com. Aaron, did we pop up how everyone gets into that?
Yeah, let me post a link in there real quick. And if you haven't signed up for Benzinga Pro before, you will be able to sign up for a free trial. So 2 full weeks, completely free.
Wow.
Use the scanners, use the mover tools. Check out Benzinga Pro. I use it to trade. David uses it to trade. It's a great tool.
It is. It is. And the news is mega important.
Yes, sir.
All right,
David,
Aaron. It's been my pleasure. We'll see everybody tomorrow. I'll see a bunch of you guys in the room, okay? I see a bunch of you coming in right now. I'll see everybody else tomorrow morning.
Beautiful. All right, y'all. Smash that like for David, too.
Thank you, guys.